Okay, money ideas. How to make money on Onlyfans in 2023 featuring Blac Chyna. So let's get into the video. So the agenda. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Blac Chyna. She has 16 million followers on Instagram, 92,000 subscribers on YouTube, 650,000 followers on Twitter, 1 million followers on TikTok, 3 million followers on Facebook, and a net worth of $5 million. Her timeline. In 2007, she began stripping at 19 years old. This included the popular Miami King of Diamonds strip club. In 2009, she drops out of Johnson & Wales University to pursue stripping and modeling full-time. In 2010, she was name-dropped by Drake in the song Miss Me, which gained her a lot of attention. In 2010, she secured several modeling opportunities for magazine publications. In 2010, she played the stunt double for Nicki Minaj in her music video, Monster. In 2012, she appeared in Tyga's music video, Rack City. In 2012, Tyga and Blac Chyna became a couple, got engaged, gave birth to their first son, but later split. In 2013, she enrolled in JLS Makeup Artist School. In 2013, she launches her own clothing line, AEA-FIN, and her own cosmetics line, Lashed Cosmetics. 2014, she launches her own beauty salon, Blac Chyna. In 2016, she starts dating Rob Kardashian and makes appearances on the show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. In 2016, she has a daughter with Rob Kardashian. They get their own show called Rob and Black, but unfortunately later split. In 2017, she files a restraining order from Rob for sharing sexually explicit photos and videos of her. In 2017, she files a $100 million lawsuit against the Kardashians for defamation. In 2020, she opens an Onlyfans account to share photos and NSFW videos of herself, which became popular during COVID. How she makes her money. Subscribers. On her Onlyfans account, she had approximately 1 million subscribers paying her $20 per month, estimated earnings of $20 million per month, and $240 million in 2021 alone. Stripping. Her early career in the adult entertainment industry as a female stripper for 6 years, earning up to £10,000 on a single night on occasions. Endorsements. She shares sponsored posts with her followers from brands and businesses, including Fashion Nova and Nova Kids. YouTube partner. She has a YouTube channel where she shares content. The YouTube partnership pays content creators based on views, subscribers, and more. TikTok Creator Fund. She has a TikTok channel where she shares content. The TikTok Creator Fund pays content creators based on, again, views, subscribers, and more. Business. She has multiple businesses which she operates, including Lashed Cosmetics, Blac Chyna Closet, Lashed Salon and Chyna, and more. Film. She has starred in movies including Secret Society 1 and Secret Society 2, and Percentage, to name a few. Music. She has released several popular songs on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Music, including Doom, My Word, Cash Only, and Seen Her, to name a few. TV. She starred on several TV shows, including Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Rob and Chyna, The Real Blac Chyna, Love and Hip Hop Hollywood, The Black Hamptons, and many more cameos also. Appearances. She's been paid for attending lots of clubs, resorts, events, expos, and more. Modeling. She's modeled for magazine publications, including Dime Piece Magazine, Straight Stunting Magazine, Black Men's Magazine, Smooth Girl, Urban Inc., and more. Classes. She teaches hair and makeup classes at her salon in Encino. Blac Chyna's earnings from Onlyfans for 2022. 1 million, according to Blac Chyna. This is based on the lawsuit, but $240 million in 2021. Key takeaway here: leverage other people's audiences. In this situation, you can see that early on, she was able to leverage the fact that clout that was gained from Drake saying her name in a song. So she gained a lot of clout, a lot of attention, a lot of influence and a following based on Drake's following, because Drake was already popular at that time. So that helped her to gain some popularity. Then you have Keeping Up with the Kardashians. When she was with Rob, when she was with Tiger, at various occasions, she had basically interacted with the Kardashians, and she had basically been appearing on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. But mostly she was appearing on Keeping Up with the Kardashians when she was with Rob Kardashian. So as a result of that, she ultimately also got her own show when she had a kid with Rob. So by leveraging the popularity of the show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, leveraging the fact that the Kardashians already had large followings and an audience, she was able to, gain some popularity from their popularity also. So the key takeaway on this point is leverage other people's audiences for yourself. So that means that if you're planning on creating an OnlyFans and you want to build some influence and make it into something that can make you money, then think about who could you tag along with, who could you follow, who could you collaborate with, who could you partner with that could, have maybe a larger audience than you have right now. Because if you're just starting, you're not going to have an audience. So you want to have a look at, okay, fine, who can I reach out to that I can collaborate and do videos with, do content with, do, partnerships with, that we can share each other's, platform, we can share each other's channel, we can, do things together. So as a result, you both can, leverage each other. You're not going to have a lot to give, but even if you started off with somebody with only a few hundred or few thousand, subscribers or followers, that would be a good start. Key takeaway number 2, a low price offer plus a large following equals lots of money. So with the OnlyFans being one of her biggest sources of income, you can see she was only really charging $20 for, the service or the product or what she's offering. But she had a large audience. She had like millions of people that were, subscribers to that. So if you've got 1 million subscribers and they're only paying you $20, then that equates to a large amount of money, especially if they're paying you every single month, and that was the case for OnlyFans. So think about in your perspective, okay, fine, you don't have to charge a lot for the things that you're going to provide, the offer that you offer, whether that be on OnlyFans or elsewhere. You don't have to charge a lot. But if you can get a large following, if you can build a large following, then it still equates to a large amount of money. And the fact that it's a low price offer is probably easier to sell too. And key takeaway number 3 is keep leveling up yourself. As you can see, like, with Blac Chyna, she started off doing the stripping, then she leveled up herself and moved out of that. And she went on to do other things, whether that be acting, whether that be music, whether that be going into business herself or modeling. She didn't just stay in that one area. You might start off at one level. You might even just start off on OnlyFans, but that doesn't mean that's where you're going to end up in the end. What is your end goal? Like, think about the next 5-10 years. Where would you like to be? Level up yourself. Maybe every 2 years you step out of whatever you were doing and you basically go to the next level again. So for example, maybe you started off as OnlyFans, and then maybe you want to move into something like acting, or you want to move into something like modeling, or you want to move into being your own boss and having your own business. But whatever you want to do, like, keep leveling up your career, keep leveling up yourself. Action steps. So the action steps for today's video are: 1, create an account. If you don't have an OnlyFans account right now, get started. It doesn't take you long. You just have to do a little bit of verification. And once that's all done, then, you're good to go. 2, I want you to design it. So add in your imagery, add in your text, add in your bio, add in your information. Do whatever you got to do to, make it your own. 3, I want you to start posting content daily on OnlyFans. Now, I'm not trying to say that you got to do explicit stuff or adult entertainment stuff or anything like that, because there's plenty of people on OnlyFans that are sharing things like cooking, fitness. It could be just, behind the scenes vlogs of their life. You don't have to be, doing like Blac Chyna or stripping or doing any kind of explicit stuff like that. OnlyFans is just a website or platform. It's what you do and it is up to you. Charge subscription. So, there are some people that are on there for free. I would recommend you to charge. That's the whole point of the platform. You can do a lot of free stuff on other platforms like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, so on. But what you want to do on OnlyFans, the main benefit of the OnlyFans platform is that, you can charge a subscription, but make it very affordable. Like we said, if we can offer something like $5, $10, something very affordable, it's a no-brainer. And you can do it regularly and build up an audience, you're really going to win here. So charge a subscription and get going. Look, don't be a spectator. Get started now so you can get this OnlyFans money too. You don't have to just look at people like Blac Chyna, Cardi B, other people, Tiger, whoever else is, killing it on OnlyFans and think, oh, that's great for them. You can be doing the exact same thing. At one point, they would have been no different than you. So get started. And as usual, like, subscribe and share, leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.